Here's how we do it on TV.
Okay. Here's how we do it in TV.
Right. So we have the eggs,
Okay.
right? And we need a whisk,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
which I have right here,
Okay.
and double boiler,
Yes.
right? So that, but you don't want to cook them too much.
Right.
You don't want to scramble the eggs.
Yes.
And this is a mother sauce, one of the
Yes.
5 mother sauces. So
Go on, get in there.
you want to just sort of do this a little bit.
Okay.
Now, what I like to do is we should add a little white wine to this. Is that bowl hot?
Can you imagine the bragging rights she's going to have on day 1 when she goes back to school?
Okay, so, and the reason why we want to add a little white wine is because we want it to be a little bit, so we have to whisk this
Right.
to make that. And then I'm going to show you a little trick, because people, when they're making hollandaise sauce, they never know how long to cook it. Is it thick enough? Is it not thick enough? Is it cooked? Is it pale enough? So I learned a little trick over the way that you got to kind of take it on and off the heat.
Right.
So, because you don't want to scramble them,
Yeah.
right? So what we want to do, since this is going to be the mother sauce, Bearnaise sauce is a compound sauce.
Yes.
Okay. So we have fresh tarragon.
Okay.
We have peppercorns, and we have shallots.
Okay.
You could put them in the sauce pot.
Okay.
And then you can add a little bit of vinegar. If you have tarragon vinegar, that's great. White vinegar works. Red wine vinegar could work. And we're adding all of those to make the Bearnaise reduction.
Right.
And now you want to add a good bit of white wine.
Got it for you, chef. You want to put your vinegar in, right?
Okay.
Yep, put your liquid in. A little more. Perfect. And then white wine. So we go back and forth,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
And you can see this is still a little loose, right?
Yeah.
So how I know it's ready, how I know it's done, what I've learned over the years, if you can blow a rose petal in it, then it's absolutely finished.
Perfect.
And it's not doing it yet.
Yeah.
So it needs to cook a little bit more.
Okay.
So once we have this cooked, okay, then what we're gonna do, Rach.
Yes.
Why don't we season the
Yes, sir.
steak, please? Just a little salt and pepper. Yep. Love it. And we should probably get those on the grill.
Get these going.
Yep. Season side down, as you can see what Rachel's done, because now she'll season the other side, so both sides are seasoned. What you're gonna do is we're gonna reduce that down until all the liquid is gone, and then we have the reduction right here.
Okay.
Okay? That reduction goes
Right.
in here. Now we have hollandaise, and we've made it into
Yeah.
Bearnaise sauce. Okay.
All that tarragon flavor. Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All right, then we're gonna cook the steaks.
Okay.
Right? And I think that you wanted to do pommes frites with this, or French fries,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Folks, these potatoes, you can see there's a little moisture to them. The fresh potatoes, cut however you want to cut them. And then you want to soak them in water and then drain the water out of them as much as you can, and make sure that all the water is out of it, because now,
Oil and water don't
yeah,
mix.
we have, exactly. Then what you want to do is you want to do a blanch. So in the hot oil, about 370 degrees, we're going to add the pommes frites,
Yes.
right? And until they're not quite done. But that's the perfect pommes frites. Now we're ready for the perfect pommes frites.
You
So
double fry.
we double fry. And if you haven't been double fried lately, let me tell you. So while the fries are going on, I have a little bowl there.
Okay.
This particular cut of meat, as you know, you want to go sort of against the grain, right? You want to slice it?
I'll watch you.
Okay. So we want to go sort of against the grain. You see, that's with the
Yes.
grain. So we want to go against the grain.
Okay.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah.
It
Beautiful.
just cuts like butter.
That looks so good.
And we're going to add the Bearnaise. Oh, this is a classic right here.
Em, are these
That's
okay? You want the
perfect,
hot
right?
ones?
We'll let it drain good. Perfect. Little
Okay.
salt,
Yes, sir.
please.
Yes, sir. Here, you want some tongs? You want tongs,
Thank you.
baby?
If I'm going to eat steak frites, I want some frites.
I want some free.
Do a little garnish like this.